This design focuses on revealing hidden content visually, using custom shapes to simulate expandable sections in a clean and engaging way. Start by creating a vertical canvas in Photoshop. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a rounded rectangle to act as the main content card. Set a calm background color for readability. Duplicate the card and place the duplicate slightly below to suggest hidden content. Now add a down arrow custom shape at the bottom of the top card, resizing it to feel clickable. Highlight the top card by slightly increasing brightness. Use the Type tool to add a title and a short preview sentence, while placing longer text inside the lower card. Apply a soft drop shadow to the top card only. Zoom out in preview. The reveal effect now looks intuitive.